How to fix GitHub 404 error in TinyTask. Here's how to fix it quickly so you can get back to automating your tasks. Step 1. A 404 error on GitHub usually means the file or page you're trying to access has been moved or deleted. This often happens when you're using an outdated link to download TinyTask. Step 2. Many YouTube videos or blogs share old TinyTask download links that no longer work. These take you to a GitHub page that says 404 not found. If you're seeing that, stop using that link. Step 3. Instead of GitHub, go to the official source, that is www.tinytask.net. From there, click the download button, and it will redirect you to the most up-to-date and working version hosted by the developer. Step 4. Never download TinyTask from sketchy third-party sites. They often include malware or outdated versions. Stick to tinytask.net or trusted sources only. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.